Good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine. Okay, so before beginning with our next session or proceeding to our topic, there's a surprise for you. If you people know that, there's not going to be a surprise, but still let me tell it what it is. It is like we can even estimate, we can even actually find number of digits in the square root using the bar method. You know how? It's like if we have a odd, odd digit also, using the bar method we can find the square root and no, but for odd digit as I told it won't be satisfied. But it is. Let's see how it is if we take 289. So this is one what we can see, and this is also considered to be one more. Just because it is left alone, we have to consider it. That means there will be two digits in its square root. Is absolutely correct. As square root of 29 is 17. Wow, it's a great news, right? So whenever you are supposed to, go with your estimation, let me write it over here. Then what are you going to take? I hope it's going to be your uh, bar method, right? It's quite easier than n to and n plus 1 by 2. And if you all feel that it's going to be more better, and you can take that. So okay, now let us leave away this topic. The next topic is estimating square roots. Now we have already learned about estimating the number of digits in the square. So now we'll be learning about how to estimate the square roots. So the first thing it is, we'll take 780. We have to see between which two squares it lies. Can anyone tell me the square of 20? It's 400. Of 30, it's 900. Then of 25, it's 625. Somewhat near, but not absolutely near. Then 780, okay, it's 780. 27, square of 27 is actually 729, somewhat near. And 28, square of 28 is 784. So we can say that between these two it lies between 27 square and 28 square. You have to assume, and this is just about assumption power. Okay, so which is more nearer, we have to check in this. Closer to it, it's 784, right? 28 square. So we can conclude, therefore, square root of 780 is equal to 28 approximately. Just which is closer to it, you have to take that. Same way, let's see about 379. 379, number 379 lies between 25 is 625, no, 319 and 20, I think. Yes, 19 square and 20 square. 20 square is 400 and 19 square is 361. So which is closer to it? That means 361, 379, 400, right? So which is a bit more closer to it, to 79. You can subtract and check also, like if you subtract these two, if you're going to subtract, you are going to get 18, and when you're going to subtract these two, you are going to get 400 minus 80 is 400 minus 79, 21. So which is more closer? 361. So approximately square root of 379 is equal to 19 approx. Same, we have to go with 1000. So 1000 lies between which two numbers? Yes, so this lies between which two numbers? Your 1000 lies between which two numbers? Square root of 1000. Between your 10 square is 100. No. So it's 1000, right? What's your 30 square? 900. What's your 31 square? Is equal to 31 square is 961. Right. And what's a 32 square? It's 1024. That means between these two numbers it's going to lie. You have to actually multiply and check whichever number you think it can be. Okay, now as I know it, I'm able to do. So between 31 square and 32 square, it's going to lie. That implies between 31 square and 32 square. So which is more closer to it. You can see it's 32 square. Square root of 1000 is equal to 32 approximately. And we take approximately between which two numbers and which is closer to it. Same with the next is 6,734 square root of 6,734. You have to check again between which two numbers does 6,734 lie. What's 79 square? It's 6,241. What's your 80 square? 200. No, it's already worth 7. No. So 6,724. What's your 82 square? 224. And what's your 83 square? Is 6,089. Right. So we can therefore conclude that which is more nearer to it between 82 square and between 83 square. That implies square root of 6,734 is equal to 82. It's closer to it approximately. What you have to do, there will be word sums related to it. For example, Disha wants to make a cloth bed sheet with this side and this side, and approximately which she can use. Such type of questions you will get, and you have to solve those word sums. Okay, this till now, do you have any doubt? Okay, if you have so, you can post it in the comments box, and I hope this is absolutely clear to you all, the estimation thing. Okay, thank you.